just in case you want to lock it to keep the gremlins out.
MoeTheDriver.
I have a lot of cool stuff that I've been doing with the truck, and I want to show you guys that, but the videos aren't done, so I have a quick video that I'm going to show you, and it's about the tools that I've been using in order to take this truck apart. And they are amazing tools, cheap, lifetime warranty, and let me show you this. So I've been using this Pittsburgh 301 piece mechanics tool set. You know, it's full of 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 inch drive, and 1/2 inch drive sockets and wrenches and other things. You know, it's got everything that you could possibly need to put a truck together or take it apart by hand. You know, if you have hand tools or if you're traveling like I am in order to work on this, this is a great set. I'm just gonna open it. I used it today for the first time, so this is just what the outside looks like. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna basically just show you what it looks like and all the cool stuff in it, how it's set up inside the box, and you guys can decide if you want to purchase it or not. But I actually have to drive about 25 miles to the shop, so there was really no good way for me to get my tools from my garage to the shop in an organized fashion. There was just no way to do it. I didn't have any boxes like this or anything like that. Of course, I could have bought them and put all the tools in there, but then those are my garage tools that I don't want to travel with. So I decided to buy this set. It was like $160 at Harbor Freight. They have it on sale right now for Christmas, so if you want one, there it is. No affiliate links, so you just have to go to Harbor Freight and get it yourself. But it's awesome. I used it today for the first time, and it had everything at my fingertips, just like right there at my disposal. I didn't have to walk back and forth to the tool chest or anything like that. It's just everything was here. So it was like right by the truck and made it simple. A little heavy, so if you're a weakling, you may have to get a cart and wheel it around, but for everyone else, I mean, you can pick it up, you know, just carry it, but it's not the lightest thing in the world. So if you had it at the track, I would say that you should probably put it on a cart or just have it near your vehicle or your trailer or what have you. So let me show you this and then just lay it out real quick, show you what it looks like, and you know, it's pretty cool actually. So we open the box. I mean, it's a pretty sturdy box, but I mean, it's plastic, but like a chest. Open it up. It does have a lock here, just in case you want to lock it to keep the gremlins out. But it opens, and what you see first is your screwdriver set. You have all the different screwdrivers. This one does not stay in here, so depending on what box you get, this will not snap back in with one screwdriver. Everything else is good. You got screwdrivers, you have your flats, your Phillips, and you also have, I believe these are T's. There are, yeah, Torx there. And then you have some snubs right here, and of course your pliers and things, adjustable wrench, some really small screwdrivers if you're working on small things, and Allen keys. And of course there are SAE and metrics in there. So then you have this, in between each layer you have this foam, so it kind of keeps it from clanking around. Some more Allen keys here, and some regular wrenches, box wrenches, and you have all kinds of bits. Torx bits, hex bits, screwdriver bits, all the bits. These are really handy. I haven't used them yet, but they're all in there. And of course, next layer, and like I was saying before, there is this foam in between each layer, and you have all the sockets, and there's a lot of sockets in here. And you have basically 3/8 inch drive socket set and deep well. So you have your regular shorty sockets and deep well sockets. A ton of those. I used the heck out of those today. And then you have your 1/4 inch drive and 1/2 inch drive sockets. Big ones too, just in case you need it. All the way up to, this is 1 1/4. It's a pretty damn big socket. So, I mean, like I was saying, oh, hold on, what is this? This is a 32 metric. So, giant sockets, man. Like, you're working on a vehicle, this thing has pretty much everything you need in it. I mean, There was a couple of things that were to be desired still. A hammer, mallet, something like that. I ran into a couple things. I'm working on this truck's 30 years old. There were some things that I could have banged off, but I don't have a hammer or mallet in here. So bring your own hammer and mallet, add that to your kit, you know, have a tool bag with some extra stuff in there. Some large snips. These snips are sharp, but they will not cut through some of those bigger hoses that are stuck in the truck or in another vehicle. It doesn't matter. Some of those hoses were just too big for the snips. I had to kind of snip until I got around it. If you have some bigger snips, you can just like get through it, garden snips or something like that. Bam. So I'm gonna add those to my little extra tool bag, and I will have you know, all those other extra tools that are bigger that you can't really fit in here. So, but all in all, I mean, this set is awesome. It has everything I could possibly need. Guess what else? It has a lifetime warranty, folks. So Harbor Freight, if you break any of these tools, you just take them back to Harbor Freight. I mean, a lot of people have their tools they buy from like Mac or from Snap-on or anything like that. Similar thing, similar warranty. If the crap breaks, just take it back. They give you another one. And if they don't have another one, they just give you a whole nother set. You just trade the set in. So I've done that before. I haven't had a problem with Harbor Freight. Some people say Harbor Freight's like generic shit or whatever. I don't know, man. I haven't had a problem with Harbor Freight. The shit's cheap, and it's a lot cheaper than buying, you know, the Snap-on stuff. So I found it to be a good deal. I found all the Harbor Freight stuff to be a good deal. They do sell some cheap stuff that you should stay away from, but this set is not it. This is a Pittsburgh brand. I don't know if it's a house brand of theirs or not, but it's good stuff. It works really well. So if you're in the market for a mechanics tool set for whatever project you have, current project, future project, if you're traveling or whatever, this is a pretty good set. Works really well, haven't had a problem with it. Just like I said, add some snips, add a bigger mallet, or add a mallet, and you'll be good to go. And I mean, really, it's worth it. 160 bucks, tons of tools. So yeah, that's all I have to say about that, man. I mean, it's really good. If you're really interested in it, go pick it up before Christmas because it'll be gone, or the price will go back to 200 bucks. $200 versus 160, huge difference.